Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you want to crack coding interviews or build a strong problem solving skill, as most of the companies in tech do have high demand. So if you are getting better at programming, then you should definitely learn data structures and algorithm, as it is very important. Most of the tutorials teaches DSA using C++ or Java, but many developers took primary language as JavaScript, and they are won't able to cope up with Java at any time. So in this series, we are going to learn data structures and algorithm completely using JavaScript, step by step for from beginners to advanced level. So in this series, I will cover arrays, strings, big O notations, recursion, sorting algorithms, linked list, stacks and queues, trees, graphs, and dynamic programming. And as long as we go with the real interview questions and lead code problems using JavaScript. So each video of in this series will be around 10 to 15 minutes, where you can focus on where we will focusing on a single concept at a time and understanding it in deeply with the code and example. So if you are preparing for coding interviews or want to become better at as a developer, then this series is going to help you a lot. So in this video, I will understand data structures and algorithm actually are and why every developer should learn them. And also, if you are enjoying learning DSA and JavaScript, make sure you subscribe the channel, because I will be uploading the entire DSA series regularly. And also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.